Forgotten username recovery failed on BMO Harris Bank Fix. If you're trying to recover your BMO Harris Bank username and the process keeps failing, don't panic. This issue is more common than you think, and most people get it wrong because of one small detail: mismatched information. Here's how to fix it and regain access to your account quickly. Start by going to the official BMO Harris Bank login page and selecting Forgot Username. You'll be prompted to enter identifying details such as your account number, social security number, and sometimes your zip code or date of birth. The key here is accuracy. Make sure every field matches exactly what's in your bank records. Even a typo in your name or a missing middle initial can cause the system to fail. If you recently changed your phone number or email, try using your old one instead. Many failed recovery attempts happen because the system still recognizes the old contact information. Once you're logged back in, you can update these details. Didn't get the recovery email? Check your spam or junk folders. BMO's system sends an automatic message that can sometimes be flagged as promotional mail. If you request it multiple times, only the latest email link will work, so avoid clicking older ones. If the page keeps giving an error or doesn't load correctly, try clearing your browser cache or using a different device. Browser autofill data or old cookies can interfere with form submissions. If all else fails, contact BMO Harris customer service directly at 1-800-888-340-2265. The representatives can securely verify your identity and help reset your username over the phone. Once you're back in, take a moment to double check that your contact info, especially your email and phone number, are up to date. That way, next time recovery will be seamless. So, if your BMO Harris username recovery keeps failing, it's not the end of the world. With a few careful steps, you can fix it and get back to banking confidently.